Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how to write calculation to pick the most recent date out of these three dates. In this data source we have customer name, note date, refer date and pick date. So we need to write a calculation that picks the most recent date out of these three date values. Okay, so let me write a new calculated field. So the calculation is let's say most recent date. So in Tableau we have the calculation max, which returns the maximum of two values. Okay, so let me use that function max of the syntax. It allows to write two expressions, expression 1 and expression 2. So first we will get the recent date from note date and refer date. Okay, click OK. So let's see the output of this calculation. Drag this one to the rows, right click and then choose exact date. Now right click again and choose discrete. So if you see here, out of these two dates, note date and refer date, we have the most recent date, that is 15. So now we will use max function one more time to compare with the pick date. So let me edit the same calculation, edit, so max of, so now we need to compare with the pick date. So this one will give the recent date out of the first calculation. Click OK. That's it. Now if you see everywhere, so for the first record the maximum date is from the refer date, which is 15, so that is correct. If you see here, the maximum date is from the pick date, so we got that date correctly. So like that we need to write this calculation to get the most recent date out of three date fields.